beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoya Day, licensed esthetician, and this is Day's Beauty Room, your #1 source for professional skincare advice, product knowledge, and esthetician tips. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 8 products you should never ever put on your face. This video can honestly go on forever thanks to Pinterest and their lovely DIY skincare. But today I'm going to talk about the most common that people think is okay to apply to your face because it's natural. But I'm going to cover only the 8 most common ones that I know are really damaging to the skin and are honestly causing more harm than good. So my first product is every esthetician's kryptonite, I'm sure, and that's St. Ives Apricot Scrub. So the reason why it is a trash product is because A, it literally serves no purpose to the skin. The crushed walnuts in the scrub are actually way too abrasive for the skin and can cause things like permanent scarring and cuts and tears on the skin. And it is not even dermatologist tested. The product is actually so trash, there was a lawsuit filed against them claiming that a dermatologist never tested this product and that the chunks of walnuts in the shells are actually causing injuries, which is the opposite of what it's supposed to be doing. So number 2 is something I didn't even realize people actually did until I became an esthetician, and that's using bar soap or hand soap to clean your face. Now, one thing about me, as you will learn, I am against bar soap, Dove soap, all that kind of soap because that's really not soap, but that's a whole nother video. Bar soap contains things like fragrances, parabens, and sulfates that are way too stripping for your skin on the face and your body, to be honest. And even though hand soap says antibacterial, it's actually killing off some of the good bacteria that is needed on your face to help prevent any type of infections or breakouts. Also, over time, the ingredients in bar and hand soap can strip the natural oils from the skin, causing way more problems. So product number 3 is baking soda. And I know baking soda is portrayed to have a whole bunch of really great qualities for the skin, and maybe under different circumstances it actually does. But using store-bought baking soda can actually throw off the skin's natural pH. Baking soda also removes the skin's natural oil barrier, creating more breakouts and irritation for the skin. So product number 4 is apple cider vinegar. Now I know there was like a big thing when apple cider vinegar first came out. People were using it for literally everything. Hair care, skin care, food. It was in everything. But even though it is an all-natural ingredient and has really great properties, it's really not the best for your skin. It can cause an immediate reaction like burning, redness, or dry skin. And over time, it can actually lower the skin's pH, resulting in a chemical burn. So product number 5 are essential oils. Now, despite having loads of great qualities, undiluted and unmixed essential oils can be very toxic for the skin. It can cause things like rashes and chemical burns, especially if it's exposed to too much sunlight. Product number 6 is definitely a product that is probably featured in almost every DIY skincare mask or toner or whatever the case, and that is lemon. Now, lemon has amazing qualities for the skin and overall health, but using it directly on your skin has more negative side effects than it does positive. Using lemon directly on the skin can cause immediate dryness, redness, and irritation because lemons are so acidic for the skin. It can also throw off the skin's pH, causing more problems for you. So product number 7 is going to be salt and sugar. Now, even though they make amazing body scrubs when mixed with the correct oils, using them on the face can be a little too abrasive and can cause scratching and permanent scarring of the skin. And if you struggle with hyperpigmentation or scarring really easily, you definitely want to steer clear of any type of scrubs that are going to be too abrasive for your face. Now, product number 8 has probably been a staple in every Black household, and that is petroleum jelly. I can't remember a time where petroleum jelly wasn't used in the household. And even though it has tons of great qualities, it actually doesn't do anything for moisturizing the skin on your face because the molecules are way too big to actually get down and hydrate the skin. In return, it's just going to end up clogging your pores and creating breakouts if you have acne prone skin. All right, beauties. Now I know we all want healthy, clear skin, but it's definitely not something you're going to get overnight or with any type of DIY Pinterest hacks. but it's definitely achievable with the correct skincare and healthy habits. Also, if you want more daily tips and skincare advice, head over to my Instagram where I post daily. And if you need help with any skincare needs or just understanding your skin in general, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a skincare video. And if you found this information useful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you've seen or used any of these skincare hacks yourself. Till then, we'll see you in my next video.